Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am at the beach and it is so beautiful today. The water is perfect temperature, and it is totally clear, which is awesome. But I hope you guys enjoy. I've got a new bikini on here to show you too. Make sure you guys click the link in the description below for behind the scenes stuff. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go along on my day here at the beach. Let's go get in the water. So clear. So I already recorded another bikini video for you guys. So there's 3 different bikinis I tried on for you, and then I have this leopard Shein one I put on, which I love the print and the bandeau top. And definitely has a very sexy thong bottom, which I love the cheekiness of those. Bad thing was our umbrella broke, so not sure how long I'll be out here, but it is beautiful today. Definitely the most clear it has been that I've ever seen the water out here be, so. And it feels so good. But this bandeau top has the holes here, and then the back has a little string. Do you like this one? What do you guys think? There's a drone above us. Somebody is watching us. It's huge. It's a huge one. So I think the beach is definitely my most favorite thing. You guys like the beach? I like this side better of Florida. On the Gulf side, woo, woo. I don't like that. I do like that it's more calm over here. It is nice though to just hang out in the water. There's not huge waves gonna knock you over, and we'll just stay out in the water for a really long time, at least 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. Oh, I could stay out here forever today. I think it's perfect. Next thing is a jet ski.